Welcome to GeoViz Plus channel. Today we will go through how to utilize Esri's 2020 land use land cover data. The news headline of Esri releasing new 2020 global land cover map was on platforms by June 2021. It is a high resolution of 10 meters spatial resolution global land cover data, using Sentinel-2 images as a reference. The land cover classes include water, trees, grass, flooded vegetation, crops, scrub or shrub, built area, bare ground, snow or ice, and lastly clouds. To make use of our time, let's go directly to how we can utilize the data. These are the available tiles to be downloaded across the world. You need to select the tile of your interest and download the Tiff image files. For the sake of this video, let's choose an area in Africa, an area in Ethiopia called West RC. RC has an area of 1.2 million hectares. The tile of our interest is in Zone 37 in Universal Transverse Mercator UTM system. The first step is clipping the area of interest by using the clip raster function of ArcGIS. Do not forget to check on Use Input Features for Cropping Geometry option. This is our area of interest. It seems we have a lot of land use land cover classes, by roughly seeing the various colors. Go to Layer Properties, and use Unique Values to display the class values. Now, let's quickly name the layers, according to the description stated in Esri website. For ease of identifying the class names later, after you rename the classes, calculate the area for each land use land cover classes by Calculate Geometry tool. To do this, we need to change the raster data to vector format. Use Raster to Polygon tool from Toolbox list of tools. The newly created polygon file have a large data of unmanageable fields. To better manage it, use the geoprocessing tool of Dissolve. Use the grid code field to dissolve the fields. This field holds the numerical values that identify each land use land cover classes. Now, the area can be calculated with ease. Add field with the heading names and type text. Add another field with the heading area and type long integer. Add the names from the class name list. Save and stop editing. For further statistical analysis, export the layer information to text file format. Open your Excel and import the text file. Calculate the percentage of each land use land cover classes. It seems, crops dominated the area with 44.29%. Followed by trees with a share of 24.88%. Bare ground and flooded vegetation only shares a tiny share of land. Now, edit and create a land use land cover map for printing and other uses. I hope you liked the video. Let's hear what you have to say about this video on the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe to GeoViz Plus. Bye for today.